This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play story mode in Call of Duty Black Ops 3. To begin your thrilling journey, simply navigate to the main menu after launching the game. From there, you will see an option clearly labeled Campaign. Select this to dive straight into the narrative. Before starting, you can choose your preferred difficulty, ranging from Recruit to Veteran, tailoring the challenge to your skill level. It's a fantastic way to experience the game's rich lore. The Black Ops 3 campaign is structured across 11 distinct missions, each offering a unique challenge and advancing the compelling storyline. You'll progress through these missions in a linear fashion, unlocking new chapters as you complete the previous ones. Expect each mission to take approximately 30 to 45 minutes to complete, depending on your playstyle and chosen difficulty. Don't worry about saving. Your progress is automatically recorded after every mission, ensuring a seamless experience. Gameplay in Black Ops 3's story mode is incredibly dynamic, blending traditional gunplay with advanced cybernetic abilities. As you play, you'll earn experience points that allow you to unlock and upgrade new skills and abilities for your character. Visit the safe house between missions to customize your loadout, modify your weapons, and enhance your cybernetic core. Experiment with different combinations to find the perfect setup for your playstyle and dominate the battlefield. One of the most exciting features of the Black Ops 3 campaign is its full 4-player cooperative mode, allowing you to experience the entire story with friends. Beyond the initial playthrough, there's significant replay value. You can revisit missions to uncover hidden collectibles, try out different cybernetic abilities, or challenge yourself on higher difficulty settings. This ensures that the story mode remains engaging and fresh, offering many hours of thrilling gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.